Alright, this is my bike check video. Got Black Label PC pedals, 3-piece cranks, stock, profile racing, 36 tooth. It's the Imperial, and I got the KMC green chain, a mirror coast seat. But yeah, long neck grips with a what the heck's it called again? I forget. Like Tech 8 or some cheap off-brand. I don't even know what it is. Got it at the bike shop for $10. It's a green brick hill. Animal illegal cable. A Miraco stem, and these are 80s mongoose bars. Not real big, but they're okay. They're kind of bent on this side, right there. It kind of bends down, I guess. Sun rims, the X25s, with that Quando unsealed hub, or semi-sealed, or whatever you want to call it. Same rim in the back, with another Quando hub. Here, I'll let it tick. And I got Tektro brakes, and it's a Sims bike, it's not any brand, but it's a chromoly frame with a chromoly fork. Standard headset. Unsealed mid-bottom bracket. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe. Bye.